Today, let's connect two powerful tools, Mistral and Claude Code, using an open source project called Free Claude Code from GitHub. By the end of this video, you'll have Claude Code running on your machine, but instead of calling Anthropic's API, it will be talking to a proxy powered by Mistral model. This is about custom model routing and not about getting Claude Code for free. If you use AI coding agents in your workflow and want more control over the providers and models, this setup will feel very natural. So let's first understand what is Free Claude Code. Free Claude Code is a local proxy that sits between tools like Claude Code, Codex, and Pi, and a wide range of AI providers including Mistral, NVIDIA NIM, OpenRouter, and several other options. It exposes a simple HTTP endpoint and an admin UI where you can pick your providers, drop in an API key, choose a model, and control options like reasoning effort. In this tutorial, we'll focus on configuring it so Claude Code uses Mistral model via the proxy. But before you get started, make sure you have the following: a terminal where you're comfortable running the commands, a Claude Code installed as a CLI tool, and a Mistral API key or any other provider where the model is Mistral based. And don't worry if you don't have a deep understanding of Python. So without wasting any time, let's jump into today's tutorial. Let's go to the Windows PowerShell and install this command shown on the screen. This will be used for installing free Claude Code on your Windows machine. Hit enter. So at this stage you can see that the Pi is installed successfully. And now it is installing the free Claude Code. So at this stage you can see that the free Claude Code is installed successfully on a Windows machine. It comes with three components. One is the FCC server, second is the FCC Claude, and third is FCC Codex, and finally we have FCC PI. We'll start the FCC server and verify the installation. It should open the admin UI on 8082 terminal. So we can see the admin UI in the background for free Claude Code. These are all the health checks that it has run. So you can see all the providers here: DeepSeek, Mistral, Mistral Codestral, Google Vertex, OpenRouter, NVIDIA NIM. You can also provide the API key at the bottom section. So here you provide the API key for the respective provider and you can get started. Okay, these are the different runtimes. So we will be using Mistral API key to proceed with the tutorial. So once we have started the FCC server, open a new terminal, open the FCC Cloud in this particular terminal. So we'll type FCC Claude. So this should open the CLI version of the Claude for us. If you wish, you can toggle between the different models using the /model command. So tips for getting started, I'll just use /model, and using this particular command you can toggle between different AI models in the terminal. But before we proceed, Let me give it a simple command. So I'll go to model config and then I'll check for the API key in this. So I have already set the Mistral API key as environment variable. When I hit refresh, it can load all the models from there, which means that the key is working fine. Now I'll type a prompt here and test it out, but it's not working. So you can see 503 service unavailable in the FCC server, and on the FCC Claude it is showing that NVIDIA NIM API key is not set. So for some reason our API key is not getting picked. We'll fix this in the next section. So when you go to your admin UI again, you go to the model config. Here you can see that NVIDIA API key was set. So here we need to change the default model to Mistral model, apply the changes, and you can try the prompt again. So this time I'm going to try a different prompt. Write a 100-word essay on the history of Olympics. So as you can see, it has given us an output and there is no error. In this video, you have seen how to install free Claude Code. You started an FCC server and opened the admin UI, configured a Mistral model as the backend provider, and linked the Claude Code to FCC. This setup is great if you want to experiment with different providers, compare models, or centralize configuration for coding agents in one single place. If you enjoyed the video, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Until then, thank you so much for watching.